I think it's recording now. What do you think of that? What do you say? What do you say? What do you say to Alex for his present?
Thank you.
There you go. That's cute, isn't it? Oh, here's Sam. Sam, you're wearing your fuzzy coat that you use as your blankie. Can you get it? It's tougher than a present, isn't it? It's tough, isn't it? There you go.
You can pull it out now.
Yeah.
Oh, he got it. Put it there.
Let's see your face. What is it?
Wait, a baby.
Oh, cute.
He has a baby chick on his shoulder.
What do you tell Alex?
He has a baby chick on his shoulder.
That's
That's
funny.
in his classroom with the baby chicks.
Oh, that is so
in
nice.
kindergarten.
Isn't that nice? Well, we gotta go shopping now. That'll be fun, won't it?
Could I take it off?
You can take it
He has
off.
a baby chick on his shoulder. Could I take it off?
You sure can. Keep it in a safe spot till we go up there and go there.
I'm gonna keep it in my wallet.
In your wallet? It's a good spot. All right.
Mine
Thanks.
has a booger on it.
No, it's just the glue, honey.
Mine has boogers on it.
It's the glue.
Ew! Alex, that's booger.
It's not.
Alex, why did you pick your nose and put it on our gift? Yeah, it's not.
He didn't send you boogers.
Yes, he did.
Thank you, Alex. You have a good Christmas.